Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to allow or block camera permissions in Firefox on Windows 11 and 10 PCs. For this, first open Firefox browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select Settings option. In the Firefox settings window, select this one, Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to the Permissions section, this one Permissions section, and you will find a camera option. Beside that, click on the Settings button. To block all new requests asking you to access your camera, just check this one option. And in case you want to allow camera access, uncheck this one option. If you have already allowed some of the websites for camera access, you will see here that websites will be listed here. To remove a particular website, select the website and click on this one remove website button. And in case you want to remove all the websites that you have allowed for camera, just click on this one button, remove all websites, and to save the changes, click on this one save changes button.